Before buying a cast iron skillet, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Herda Chainmail Scrubber Cleaner. This is the Herda 316L Cast Iron Scrubber Cleaner. What caught my attention is its large size. It's twice as big as the typical scrubbers. Priced at $16.99, if you want an efficient way to keep your skillet spotless without damaging the seasoning, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this scrubber is a game changer for your cast iron skillet. The Herda's chainmail design means it gets into all those nooks and crannies, leaving dirt nowhere to hide. The breathable silicone pad helps you scrub effectively while being gentle on the seasoning. Plus, it's versatile enough for woks and other cookware. With over 100 sold in the past month, it seems like many others are seeing its value. Now, some people have complained that the size makes it a bit bulky for smaller pans. Here's the thing though, if you have a few larger skillets or Dutch ovens, this is actually a benefit, as it can handle various sizes without faltering. This is perfect for you if you regularly cook with cast iron and want an easy cleaning solution. Skip this one if you have very small cookware that requires more delicate handling. Overall, for $16.99, it's a solid investment for your skillet's longevity. Now, if the price of the Herda scrubber bothered you, this next product takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Cast Iron Skillet Care Book. Next up, we have Cast Iron Skillet Care by Sabrina Zirkis Smith. This paperback, priced at $6.99, caught my eye because it's a straightforward guide on seasoning and caring for your cast iron. If you want comprehensive knowledge about your skillet, this is worth a serious look. This book isn't just about seasoning. It also delves into both new and vintage cast iron cookware. You'll find tips on how to create that perfect non-stick surface while also ensuring your skillet lasts a lifetime. With a focus on recipes too, you'll have everything you need to pamper your skillet. A lot of readers appreciate its simplicity and practicality, which is a big plus for beginners. However, some reviewers noted that it lacks advanced techniques for seasoned users. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out or need a refresher, this book is an excellent foundation. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking to get the best out of your cast iron. Skip this one if you're already a pro and looking for advanced insights. For $6.99, it's a budget-friendly way to enhance your cooking experience. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for in-depth care.
Product number 3, Ultimate Cast Iron Care Handbook. The next product is the Ultimate Cast Iron Care Handbook by Denny Pramana, priced at $8.99. I was drawn to this because it promises proven strategies for cleaning and troubleshooting your skillet. If you want a deeper understanding of maintaining your cookware, this is worth a serious look. This handbook goes beyond just the basics. It covers everything from cleaning techniques to how to troubleshoot common issues that arise with cast iron. You'll find tips on seasoning that are backed by real-world experience, which is what you need to ensure longevity. The reviews on this one are positive, with many praising its depth and clarity. Some users mentioned that it could be overwhelming for absolute beginners. But here's the thing, if you're serious about mastering cast iron and are willing to put in the time to learn, this handbook is invaluable. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive resource to dive deep into cast iron care. Skip this one if you're looking for something more straightforward and quick. At $8.99, it's a solid investment for serious cooks. Now, if you're after something a bit more hands-on, the next product might just hit the spot.
Product number 4, One Pan Cooking Cookbook. Coming in next is Cast Iron Skillet One Pan Cooking by Milo Mayo, priced at $9.99. This large print cookbook caught my attention because it's designed for busy people who love easy cooking. If you want quick and delicious meals from your skillet, this is worth a serious look. This cookbook focuses on 5-ingredient meals, making it perfect for those hectic weeknights. The variety of recipes, from breakfast skillets to desserts, means you can really maximize your skillet's potential. Plus, the large print is great for those of us who might need reading glasses. Many users rave about how easy and tasty the recipes are, which is exactly what you want.
However, a few readers found the 5-ingredient limit too restrictive for elaborate meals. But honestly, if you're looking for simplicity and speed in your cooking, this limitation can actually be a blessing. This is perfect for you if you're a busy cook wanting no-fuss meals. Skip this if you're looking to create gourmet dishes that require more complex ingredients. For $9.99, it's a great value for cooking.
So there you have it. From the Herda scrubber to the comprehensive guides and cookbooks, each product offers something unique for your cast iron skillet journey. Whether you're looking for cleaning tools or in-depth knowledge, there's definitely something here for everyone. Happy cooking!